All right, let's back to the track, guys, and let's just open here the paint. And we were talking about the entry and the animation state. So we said that we have something called animation state, the first state with the no menu animation, and we have a slide down menu and we have slide up menu. So in order to achieve this, we have to go here and select the menu container. And here we have something called Animator. So if we go to the Animator tab here, we got something called also Animation. So you can open it by going here, Animation, somewhere here. Yeah, I'm just gonna select Animation and create a new animation for the first animation here. So if you go to Assets of View Project, and just gonna, if you don't have this folder created, it's just gonna see anim, and here just want to put all the animation that I have. So first I'm just gonna start with new animation, and just gonna start with the first animation that we were talking about, which is the no menu anim. So let's just get started with it. So no menu anim. Alright, this is the first animation. Okay, I need to create another one here, create a new clip, and I need to create another animation, which is, we named it here as slide down menu. Okay, so I'm just gonna type here slide down menu. Just gonna copy this and save it. Alright, I need to create another animation here, which is gonna be slide up animation. So if you come here and change down to up, so if I come here, I'm just gonna change this slide down to slide up animation, as you can see here. So I have here 3 animation. Now if you go to Animator, you're just gonna have the first entry, as we said. We go to the no menu animation, and here we got the slide down menu, and here also we got the slide up. So I need to connect these animation together. So if I go from no menu animation, I go to slide down animation, and from no slide down, I go slide up, and I just go back to the no menu animation. We said that we have a flag here. When we move from here to here, we should have a flag. So if you go to parameters here, we have something called float, integer, boolean. All these are considered as conditional transitions. So I need to add one of these parameters. So let's say I need to add bool, and I need to name it as here slide the menu. So slide the menu is gonna slide the menu to. Alright, so as I said, I have to go to here and add a new transition. This slide the menu, and just gonna copy this. Alright, so here, once we set up the transition, we have something called conditions. So I'm just gonna come here and set the slide the menu to true, and once I come here, we'll move from here to here. As we go before, we have to put this to false, and also the same thing here. I have to set this to false. Also, we have something called exit time. So in order to remove the delay from one animation to another, go to the exit time and remove it. So I'm just gonna come here and remove the exit time. All right, that's perfect. So right now I can save the scene, and also you can see the scene, the animations here. So most of the time that you create an animator, just gonna have here and animations also, and here we have something called loop time, and this is, you can untick this if you don't want to you just want to apply the animation for only one time. So in case of slide up and in case of slide down, I need to untick this, but for this normal state, if you want to keep the player in the same state, you can keep this as loop time. All right. Yeah, we finished with the setup, so I can right now go to the animator and set up each of these animations. So right now we're talking about the first state here. So initially when we start the game, we have here the menu container, and I just want to go to the menu container here and just want to move it somewhere. So just gonna move it here to be here. All right, and once we start playing the game, make sure that when you zoom in it's not showing, so you have to move it a little bit to the top to be something like this. Okay, so it's just gonna be there. This is the default position of the element, and after that we have to go to the animation and just gonna set up the no menu animation. All right, I need to record the current position of the element here. So in order to record the current position of the element, you can come here, add a property, and here we're talking about rig transform, and you can set the position, or let's say we want to work with anchor here, the rig transform. We're talking about anchor min, anchor max, and we talk about anchored position. So I need to set up this item at this position. So I'm just gonna make only one transition here to the default state. So once we start the first animation, the player gonna be at that position. All right, I need to go to the other animation here. We're talking about slide down. So once we talk about slide down, we need to start from the property of the recent or the current position of the dialog to this position, for example. So once I go to this position, to this point, you have to select it and go to scene here and just scroll, move the menu here to somewhere here. So this how we set an animation. We move the object from here all the way to here. All right, so that is really good. And also we can do something else. We can go to set up the slide up animation. So you see this slide down animation, this is the current position. So I can come here and just select this. If you could come here, copy it, or let's say come here, but I don't think that you can copy it. Let me just try. Yeah, I could copy it. So you click here and click Control C or Command C on Mac, copy the keyframe from here and go to the slide up menu and go at the beginning of it, paste this, and we need to toggle it back to the top. So do you remember the first animation that we created, which is no menu? I need to come here and copy this and go here, slide up menu, or I need to come here, for example, and paste that. So you can test this out. Here we slide up, and you can come here, slide down menu, and you can test this up. You can increase the speed a little bit by doing this, and you can come here, test the other way. Yeah, that's perfect. So right now, if we go to the Animator and you click play, yeah, you're gonna see we have something. We have something here. Yeah, we have something here that is really perfect, and we can continue and script this. So in the next few minutes, we're just gonna continue with the animation. So see you in the next part, guys. Thank you guys for watching.